doing a video now because a video in real time now, because we've got a dangerous lightning alert. I hold it as steady as I can and try to. Okay, and we got droplets a little bit. We're gonna have a downpour. Oh, see that? See how cool that is? See the leading edge of this thing? And how 34, 35. And the time lapse, I have definitely got some lightning on that time lapse as well. I definitely do. Okay, where are you? Whoa, man. See? This is dark. It is dark, dark, dark. It had a special weather statement for strong storms, which is what you're seeing right now. A severe thunderstorm risk, a dangerous lightning alert, commuter. What else? There was another one. There was like 5 of these freaking things, and I haven't seen 5 alerts like that. I have not seen that before. Okay, big droplets, big droplets. Big droplets. I'm gonna go under here, under the overhang. Okay. If it was daylight, that would be aqua colored. And this is the leading edge. People are doing fireworks outside, and well, you're not gonna have to worry about it starting fires that'll last very long because this is gonna downpour us. Yeah. Oh! Lightning and... See, I know what they're trying to do. They're trying to get the fireworks and the lightning in the same view. I know they're trying, and I got it. I got it in a few seconds. See? And there's another one. Out here for too much longer. Big old freaking droplet of rain hit me right in the ear. Come on, where are you? This is gonna get us really. Okay, it's downpour. Downpouring. We're getting. Okay, I'll turn the fan off.